The Alcantara River is the most important river in Sicily. It comes from the Arabic word Alcantara, the bridge, and it flows through the Nebrodi mountains and through a valley for about 50 kilometers to the Ionian Sea, where Naxos, the first Greek colony, and Taormina are the most international touristic sites in Eastern Sicily. The river is also fed by the snow melting from Mount Etna, the highest active volcano in Europe. It also defines the regional provinces of Catania and Messina. Since 2001, the Alcantara Park, established by the Sicilian region, protects this valley, a rich source of history, architecture, traditions, along with its beautiful and delicate natural environment. From the source of the river to its mouth, the Alcantara Valley offers landscapes with striking colors and invites nature lovers to interesting outdoor excursions. The vegetation goes through 1,000 shades of green, varying from typical mountain landscape in Floresta, with its large oaks and evergreen forests, to the lower valley of Gaggi, with large elms and plane trees along with the sandy shores. Life runs swiftly along its banks. Colorful butterflies give rise to natural choreographies. Numerous species of resident and migratory birds of prey delight birdwatchers. The waters host many amphibians. Some species are very rare, such as the macrostigma trout. When hiking, you might even run into a timid grass snake. With the passing of the centuries, the river has created beautiful fairy tale sceneries. It is the mixing of natural elements that arouse amazement. The turbulent waters flow and play with the lava stones and the sand, smoothing them and enhancing their shape. Some sections of the river slow down and create small lakes known as the Gurn. Wild orchids grow along the sandy banks, while green lizards walk agile. When in heat, these reptiles take on a cobalt blue color. In the vicinity of the little town of Mottacamastra, the stream flows faster. The river flows into a canyon through high walls. Due to violent eruptions, the meeting of ice-cold water and the burning lava has created unique geometries and ripped walls. Lava basalt prisms, unusual natural sculptures, recall a pipe organ with its elegant fans and neat paths of firewood. The Alcantara Park was created to preserve its natural environment and has given birth to many educational activities which accentuate the importance of nature conservation. A network of paths allow visits of students and hikers, and some routes are accessible to disabled people as well. The abundance of water and sun have always been the wealth of its inhabitants, who have extensively cultivated this land with excellent results. Between Randazzo and Castiglione of Sicily, the river feeds vineyards grown on black lava slopes, well appreciated for their full-bodied wines. The stream from Alcantara to Taormina, Gaggi and Graniti gently flows into a fertile plain, abounding in orchids and citrus fruits kissed by the sun. Rocello dominates the valley near the forest of Malabotta, and the medieval town of Randazzo is known for its elegant mansions and impressive churches in lava stone. Along the territory, Malvagna and Castiglione of Sicily, with their lava rock religious buildings and cube-shaped structures, recall old settlements in ancient times. Francavilla of Sicily, along the Alcantara Park, is a city of ancient and noble origins that retains traces of the past in an important archaeological, historical and natural site. Throughout the course of the river, the ancient castle of Castiglione of Sicily and the majestic fortress of Calateviano guide its history, along with the blue waters of the Jonian Sea and Mount Etna. In these centers, ability and imagination have created a quality of craftsmanship, and skilled hands work items of the past as old as time itself. The local culture finds its expression in the traditional cuisine, along with its typical and genuine products, such as sausages and cheeses, pasta with tomato, and tasty meats, seasoned with the flavor of the Alcantara River. The entire area of the park is filled with small towns full of charm, art and traditions that will make your holiday special in these places. One more reason to visit this magical valley between water and fire, between nature and culture. The Alcantara River Park, an explosion of natural beauty lost in time.